Good morning everyone. So today we are having another exercise as group planning exercise, right? So you can see this map. This road connects two prominent cities, Lakhanpur, 25 kilometers from the last point of this road, and this goes to Hiranagar, shown on the northern side, 10 kilometers from the last point. There is a railway line which connects these two cities. Hiranagar, 15 kilometers from the northernmost point of this railway track, and 25 kilometers to Lakhanpur, again from the southernmost point from this railway track, right? This is a Kacha Rasta, double dotted. It means four-wheelers are allowed. They can move on this track, but this is not a metal road. This road connects Narwal town. Narwal town is 5 kilometers from the easternmost point of this track. Close to this, there is a police headquarters. This is again a metal road which connects this Kacha Rasta to ammunition depot, shown on the northern side. Close to this ammunition depot, this is a village, Janglot village. And on the eastern side of this ammunition depot, this is Bani Valley, which is a dense valley shown on the extreme eastern side. This entire region is Gagwal Forest Reserve. On the outskirts of this, there is ancient temple which is known as Shivkhori temple. A single dotted Kacha Rasta where four-wheelers are not allowed. On the turn, there is a building under construction. On the western outskirt of this forest, there is a forest checkpost. Marka river, which flows down to Mansar Lake. It falls into Mansar Lake. Mansar Lake is a big lake where generally people come to enjoy their free time. Close to this lake, there is another village known as Bhatoli village. Clear? For this map, scale you need to follow will be 2.5 inch is equal to 1 kilometer. Here I will tell you a story. You are a group of students from Lakhanpur Degree College, and you all had came to Mansar Lake for picnic by your college bus. As it was the last day of your college and you had to report back to your college auditorium for farewell night at 7:30 p.m. When you were enjoying the sight of lake, suddenly a boy comes to you and informs that a building on the Narwal town route under construction got collapsed due to primary structural failure. This collapse resulted into major casualties. 2 laborers working in that building lost their life and another 2 are seriously injured. When you were listening him and looking to proceed towards the accident point, a forest guard comes rushing towards you from this point and informs you that he was on patrolling of forest when he overheard few dacoits moving towards Shivkhori temple. They traced the only left family of black buck in Gagwal Forest Reserve a day before. Today they were planning to hide themselves in the temple and hunt the entire family of black buck, which they will sell to wildlife smugglers at 6 p.m. as the demand of black buck is very high in international market. He also informs you that another guard, who is his colleague, informed him on the wireless that he has seen a group of 4 militants heading towards ammunition depot on the eastern outskirt of this forest reserve, he had seen a group of 4 militants heading towards ammunition depot. They all are armed. They are in plan to attack ammunition depot and blast it at 5:30 p.m. from where they have a plan to escape towards Bani Valley. So once they will skip into this valley, it will be impossible to trace them. He added that later he wanted to connect his colleague on the wireless but failed to get connectivity due to poor signals. Now, no communication can be established. Other guards of forest checkpost have gone to their headquarters along with forest officer and will be returning back by 8 p.m. A lorry is available at the forest checkpost, but the battery of lorry has been taken by the colleague to headquarters for replacement. So there is a lorry, but this lorry is not having battery. When you were planning to get to the end of this difficult situation, all of a sudden, a young lady comes to you asking for your help, as she informed you that she came along with her young kid to enjoy the boating at Mansar Lake. Her gold chain fell into the water at bank of Mansar Lake. The boatman refused to help her as he got engaged with other tourists. Is it clear? Time now is 4:45 p.m. Stop writing. So now I will be giving you a time of 10 minutes to go for a group discussion and reach on a common solution. Your time starts now.
So basically we have the 3 problems here. The first one is of the collapse of the building, and the second one is the ducat smuggling the black bug,
and third one the militant that are going to attack on the
Let us talk about.
So first of all, we will make the group divided into 3 parts.
The first group which consists of 2 persons, second
I
group
think the
consists
group
of
should
4
be
persons, and third
divided
group
into 2 and
consists
6.
of 4 persons.
Yeah, obviously case number 5, and when we take a school bus which we we will take the school bus department and go to the building under construction. We will take the injured people from building under construction and go for the police headquarters.
Made a very valid point. There is casualty on the construction site. We should firstly rush to the construction site.
I would like to mention one point. Gentlemen, first casualty has already happened, and the architectural is already happened. We need to have to only 2 members to go there and inform.
Moving towards
the other
the security of the bus, the should also go on and take the help of the
They should also inform them in the police headquarters about the cats hiding in the temple also.
Yes,
I think for the construction side, there are more number of laborers are there. One group.
But we can't do anything there. We just need to inform them.
We should take some things of the headquarters.
Them in the temple.
Gentlemen, we can also take the help of that forest officer who came to inform us also.
I think the smugglers
We will have to
also other forest officers for us.
We can take police officer from police headquarters and go to the
forest officer. Common conclusion that we have total of 3 major problems, 1 minor problem. We will face the 3 major problems by dividing our groups in 3 parts, simultaneously with 2, 5 and 3.
Yes.
Okay, in that group, we should give the priority to the healthier person that goes to the construction site to hand over the.
Because he will
Gentlemen, we are missing the time. At the 5:30, ammunition department is going to be blasted.
So in my opinion, all of us will take the time of ammunition in our headquarters.
we will be giving more important because group A have the bus to carry those injured.
Okay, gentlemen, as chest number 2 said, one group that consists of 3 persons should inform the police headquarters, and with them, by their vehicle, we should rush to the ammunition department where we can prevent from being.
This is the effective mission, and I
think we have discussed all the 3 problems. Let us discuss how
we
should also have to.
We have come up with a solution.
I think we should be
also we can say that the chain which has been in the leg, we can help the lady simultaneously.
By the 6 o'clock, we can reach to the hour.
Okay, stop your discussion now. Any one of you can come forward and give the solution on that.
Chest number 5, Joshi.
5 or 9? Chest number 2.
Okay, sir. As per the given situation, we found 3 major problems and 1 minor problem. 3 problems are first of the collapsed under construction building at this point, and second, that is of the dacoits hiding in the Shivkari temple and planning for the smuggling of the black bucks, and thirdly, that is militants planning for the blast at the ammunition depot. At right now we are at 4:30. We plan and make a group in 3 parts. At the first group we are with 5 persons, second with 3, and third with 2 persons. Okay. Both group A and B will leave with our van, which we consist of with ourselves. From here, approx distance is 24 kilometers. We will reach at 5 o'clock at this point. Take the injured persons in our van. 2 persons from our group will stop here and inform the police headquarters about both the problems of the temple also and the ammunition depot also. Then our
so by what time you will be reaching to police headquarters?
By 5:15.
5:15. Okay.
Okay, and immediately police headquarters we can rush to the ammunition depot, which is approximately 15 kilometers in next 15 minutes, and we can stop the blast there. Our first group, which goes to the hospital in Narwal town, which is 5 kilometers from here, and approx distance near about 12 kilometers from here, we can reach here by 5:30, hospitalize them, return to our primary destination, which is approximately 30 kilometers in next 30 minutes, and can reach here by 6:50. Again, the group which goes to the ammunition depot, return from here, police headquarters again, and group 1, which is coming from here, receive them, and all of us assemble here at 6:30 finally. Then our 2 persons goes to the Mansarovar Lake and ask the boatman to search the chain of that lady, and we will leave at 6:45 to our college, where we will reach at 7:30 and attend our farewell.
Good. Okay, you may go back. Anyone who is having some different opinion? No, sir. Okay, you may leave now.